Hello friends, welcome back to Education Video Corner. In this video, I am sharing Python problem solution. So guys, our Python problem is write a program to count the number of occurrences of a specific character in the given string. So guys, today I am using VS Code Editor. Actually, I am using the Jupyter Notebook. VS Code Editor, Jupyter Notebook. So guys, I started. So I created one function and then our function name is count character count underscore char. So I pass in this place. I get the input from users. So guys, first of all, you get the input from users. So I am using the input str. So I create one variable. That variable name is string. Input, you know that input, if you see the input key input function, you can get the input from users. So I have this input enter the character, enter the string or sentence or specific character. You find the any characters, how many times are present. So guys, I assign the same thing and copy and paste it. Single character. So it's character. So this I am only create the function. Our function is a count char, and then I pass it. After I create one string, so you can estimate a keyword this, so you can't use it. Just I underscore it after one. So character is a keyword, so you can use it. Underscore one. So I create one variable string one. I get the input from users, and I char one get the input from users. So first on string one you can get a users in input string or sentence anything. But character you can get a input from users if any letters, if any one single letter. So in this I remove the past statement and then I write some logic. First of all, we assign the count. Initial count is 0. So guys, so we have two inputs. So I entered the function parameter argument. Sorry. Str underscore 1, comma, char 1. There are two, because we get the two inputs from users. So same inputs are assigned inside the round bracket in our function. So now we have set the I am using for loop and then it's and if I'm using for characters in string. First of all, I take the character. Sorry, guys. Str underscore 1, and then just I have written char. See this print count char str 1, comma, char 1. Now see this, what is our answer? Only written the what are the characters in string 1. So I enter hello and then L I. So only H. Now only first letter is written. So it's only first letter is written, but this is not for our requirement. So I only this is not for our requirement. So if char char equal to the char 1, char underscore 1, char underscore 1, sorry, char underscore 1, return count, return count, but in this place, count plus 1. If char, I think I asked full name, character in, say character in, if any character person in char 1, so you can count plus 1. Initially we assign the 0, count plus or equal to 1. Now I run it. See this, I enter the string is hello, and then our character is, I enter the character is L. So only, sorry, pause it, and then hello. So the next thing, so our input string is a hello, and then our count character is E. So we have find only E is how many times present in above string. So I run it. See this one time, and then hello, welcome, hello, welcome, hit. So now I run it. Sorry. Only intention error I am using. So yes, now we count. Actually comes 0, count plus 1. So yes, now I run it. Only 1 is 3 times there. I classify in this code. I count this initially I create one function, and then function name is count char, and then two input getting users. One is string 1, another one is char 1. Okay, it's fine. Initially I assign the count equal 0. So for character in char 1, sorry, string 1, if for a character in string 1, if character equals double equal to char 1, it's fine. Count plus 1, return count. In the return is outside of the for loop, so now I run it, because if using it inside the for loop, it will return only one thing. Now I run it. So guys, we got our input, guys. So in the result, so if you're using the for loop and the text, we can calculate I am. So now see this 4 times C is returned. So now we assign it, and we identify the what are the string, and then finding letters. But if we're using input, at the time some difficulty what are the characters and the strings are entered. So at the time using the input characters, at the time we using the F string. So guys, just so I removing this one. So guys, now I am using the F string. So F please. Okay. Print F of occur in split possibly I create, sorry. I create yeah, string. So just I run it. So guys, I enter input as a and always welcome to educational video corner. Now enter it. Count the V. So V is occurred 2 times. Our string is str1. So now something what happened, I don't know. So now I have done it. Hello, guys. H. Now see this. The character H occurs in 1 times in a string. Our string is hello. Hello, guys. So this is the method to finding the occurrence in a string. Guys, I hope in this video is very helpful for you. If you helpful, please subscribe button and then share with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye. See you later.